Hello guys, I will show you how to replace a black ink cartridge in a continuous 3-in-1 printer. First, turn on the printer and wait for the ink cartridges to move at the center. Press and pull upwards the lock cover and move the two ink cartridges out. Let's remove the seal, which is the white one, and transfer the seal in the new ink cartridge. I noticed that there's no black ink flowing in the hose. So let's remove the connector from the edge of the hose. At this time, I'm going to use syringe to remove the air that clogged the flow of the black ink. Do it repeatedly until the black ink goes upward. Then after that, we're going to put back the connector to the black ink cartridge. And now let's put back the ink cartridges. Then close the cover. And now let's go to our computer. Choose that printer, right click and select Printing Preferences. Then let's go to Maintenance and select Deep Cleaning. Then execute. Start printhead deep cleaning. Then click OK, then it will start the deep cleaning process of the printhead and the ink cartridges, and allows you to print a test page. As you can see, our black ink is okay now. Never mind the other colors. Thanks for watching.